Petrovic comes around the screen. Finds Cooper. Wayne Cooper hits outside. Many fouls being called by this crew here tonight.
One thing that Michael Smith has added to this ball club is a guy that has the ability to score some points.
Petrovic looked pretty good on that one. Bryant around. Nice move by Mark Bryant.
Oh,
Bird wants it. Petrovic the rebound. Goes around Paxson.
that was as nifty a dribble as you want to see, and he's from Yugoslavia, right? You watch this between the legs, and Paxson didn't know where the ball went and is forced to reach from behind. Foul was in the backcourt.
Inside, Parrish will turn around. Petrovic there. Double between the leg move again.
No basket.
And for all season long, they've had great difficulty doing that with anybody on the floor.
Petrovic throws down a runner.
Petrovic. So the foul was on number 53. Joe
Klein's second.
Well, here's Petrovic doing the same thing to Paxson, getting into the paint, as Charles Smith really didn't drop down to help the issue that much.